Hey everyone, thanks for joining again. So in this video, we're going to bring everything all together now with our custom action in Power Apps as well as our plugin. And finally, a Power Automate that leverages the perform unbound action step. So let's first take a look at all of our components that we put together so far. So we have a process, which is a custom action that we built in the first video. It's called Unbound Action Example. It's very simple. It's not tied to any entity, so it's unbound. And we're leveraging that so that we can leverage any kind of complex code whenever we want to use it, and we don't have to rely or depend upon any entity event driven things. Then we have our plugin itself. It's just a very simple plugin that creates a job application statistic record. All right, cool. And then we've already gone ahead and deployed that to the plugin registration tool. And then what we're going to do now is go ahead and create a Cloudflow in our solution. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll make it an instant Cloudflow. And then for our first step, we'll type in perform unbound and unbound action. And so let's give this a name, invoke unbound action to call plugin and create job application statistic record. All right, perfect. So then what we're going to do here is we're just going to call our very custom named, let's see, enter custom value. Yep. Sometimes it's kind of finicky here. There we go. So here's the name of our actual message and our action as well. We don't have to provide anything in the body here, and that's a beautiful thing. So you don't have to do anything here. Just save it. And then if we go to advanced find, we have the original records that were created in previous videos, employer A, B, C, D, whatever. Okay. So then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and test this out. So I'm manually triggering this. This could be, for example, a complex operation that runs on all your database records once a day or something at 8 a.m. or at midnight or something like that does something. But it has nothing to do with your entities or entity event driven sort of things. And that's a phenomenal thing to deal with. So let's go ahead and click run flow. All right, so it's succeeded, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything yet. Let's take a look at what happened in our unbound action step here. Okay, so let's just look at the output. So we got a 204, that's good. Okay, so from the standpoint of the request being made, it looks good. So the question is, did it touch our plugin? Did our plugin successfully execute? We'll be able to find out here. And there you have it, right there. Here's our record that was just created. It's just a job applicant statistic with this hard-coded value. Where did that come from? Very simply from this plugin. Unbound actions. Very powerful. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the holiday.